Hey traders, it's Tim Irvin here. Welcome to another week. This week, guys, we're gonna take control of your Forex trading. So, I'm just don't want you to be tired of consistently losing money in Forex trading. So, if you are tired of not understanding why your trades are not successful, this video today is gonna be for you. So let me show you what is all gonna be about for this week, guys. We're gonna be doing the very first pair of the day, and that it is boom, GBP JPY. Look at this magnifico pair, guys. Let me delete all this drawing. Look, guys, this is amazing. First thing first, you always need to pay attention what your dashboard is telling you. What's the story behind this trade? Look at here, guys. I'm gonna show you a different way this week. I want you to understand, what the trend is doing, because remember, the most important part on trading, guys, is understanding the market trend, understanding your proper risk management, understanding and selecting your high quality trade. These are the three key elements in our strategy today. So stay with me, guys. This video is going to share with you is the best trading strategy that help you take your control of your Forex trading and then start seeing consistent profit. So let's go. Let me show you. So look at here. Look at what the 4 hours is telling us. 4 hours is telling us the market here is bullish. The daily time frame is telling us the market is bearish. So there is a contradiction already. So what are you gonna do? Right? That is very confusing. If the time frames are not agreeing each other, you will have issue on the market. So be careful. So now let me show you the real data, what the market is doing. Look, this is what I love multiple time frame. When multiple time frame comes, it will give you a signal that is telling you the market is selling. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom! It's telling you the market here, it is selling.
Oh yeah!
Then look at the stairs. When the market is selling, we'll give you this rest there, coming down and showing the market here is only going in one damn direction, guys. And that direction is what? It is selling.
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
So now that you know, now what we need to do, let me delete everything and then we're gonna zoom back to normal. So you need to see real data, real time, right? That's all I care. It's only real data. That's what I love to teach on this channel here, because I want you to understand what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then remember, what are our three base key element in today, guys? Today is understanding the market trend, right? Which is, where is the market heading? Proper risk management. Never trade any more money that you can afford to lose, guys. Always put your stop loss below or above your 4 hours arrow, okay? Select your high quality trade. Don't just trade because you just want to enter on the market. No. If you want me to teach you, let me know. There is a link on the description, guys. Join us and you won't regret it. All right. So now remember, now we're gonna review it. So this is what I'm seeing here on the market. Remember, the market here is selling, like I explained you early, that the real trend here is selling. So if it's selling, what is going on with the 4 hours? Look at here, 4 hours telling you the market here is in a buy position. What is our multiple time frame doing? Multiple time frame is telling you, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Our green arrow is also telling us we're in a buy position. Our green arrow confirming we're still in a buy position. So this is considered a pullback. So pullback still valid, guys. Market is gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci, and then it's gonna make a small retracement, retesting this low one more time, and then from there, boom, market will continue on that pullback. So GBP JPY is only doing one thing, guys, and that it is pullback. Alright, so now let me know in the comment below, guys, if you guys have any question. Make sure, guys, to support the channel by liking, sharing this video with the world. Stop paying for signal. Let's go. Let's minimize losses. Let's learn how to trade and take control of your day trading. All right, by following these 3 key elements, guys, understanding the market trend, risk management, and high quality trade, you will be able to make informed decision and minimize your risk while maximizing your potential profit on the market. Always remember that. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, it is Euro USD. Look at this Euro USD, and I'm gonna show you the real data because I want you to understand. Look at the dashboard, guys. This is your cheat sheet. Remember your cheat sheet here? What is the 4 hours and daily doing? Boom! Market here, it is going only in one direction. It's telling us that we are selling.
Oh yeah!
Woo, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah!
I'm telling you guys, this is what makes me happy. And guys, let's go ahead and give it a round of applause, guys, because this is amazing. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and review the real data, real time, because that's where we are heading. Remember, when the market is bullish, you will have this green steers going where? Going up, right? Telling you, hey, I'm in a buy position, boom, 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 game over. So this is game over. Now, look at here. Multiple time frame and TW sniper entry this here. Look at the steers. Where's the steer heading? Look at that. Boom, 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 and boom! Market, it is going in one damn direction. My heart is going like boom, 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 boom. I'm telling you, we need to collect those coins. Now, let me delete the whole damn thing, so all the drawings, so I don't want to confuse you, so you can understand what to expect on the market. So, like I said, market here is selling, right? That's what we are seeing. We are seeing the market heading in one direction. Look at there. Market here is rolling down. Now, this is where our multiple time frame come and take part. So it says here that we are still selling. So market here is still gonna drop another 30-50 more pips, guys. Another nice dropping here, which is previous multiple time frame pass. And then from there, market is gonna make a small correction, small pullback, retesting your 50 Fibonacci level, which is previous multiple time frames in the past as well. And then from there, market will continue as a sell. Do not forget, guys, Euro USD, it is selling. So right now, the market here is still on that sell position. Do not forget our 3 key elements of our strategy today, guys. Understanding the trend. The trend here is selling. Understanding that you must learn how to proper risk management and selecting a high quality trade. Don't just select trade just because you want to trade. All right, learn. All right, so let me show you another beautiful pair that we are expecting to see this coming week. A very profitable trade, guys. The 4 pairs that I gave you last Sunday, all of them were on profit. That was freaking awesome. Amazing. So this week is another week. So it's the week of February 13th to the 17th. Happy Valentine, early Valentine to everyone. Enjoy this time off with your loved one, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your friend, your mom, anyone. Show love to the world, guys. Always be humble. Money should never change you, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and check GBP USD. Boom! Look, I'm not gonna show you the real data. Real data, I do not want to show you. Why? Because I want you to understand. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Forex trading tips and strategy. And don't forget to share it with your friends and fellow traders, guys. Together, we can take control of our Forex trading and achieve success. That's what I'm here for. I'm not here to do anything because I don't want you to keep losing money in Forex trading. Do you want to take control and start seeing consistent profit? Well, remember, this is the video that you want to stay in it. All right, so look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying here? Irvin, market here, it is selling. Look at the 4 hours a daily time frame. Boom! Where is the market heading? Market is heading, boom! It's headed only in one damn direction, and that is selling. That is our cheat sheet. Now, let's look at real data. Real data, real trend, because we are, like I said, we are doing a real market trend. Right. Now, let's go ahead and review it. Look at the stairs. Look at the multiple time frame. This is GBP USD, guys. Everything is selling. I gave a signal early, guys, to this guy. I said, hey, not signal. I will review gold, and I say, dude, gold is selling, dude. And he was like, no, it's not selling, not selling. I'm buying signal, and my signal guy is telling me to buy it. I will show you next, okay? Because that is important to learn. But look at here on GBP USD, multiple time frame is selling. Our Y multiple time frame is selling. Our TW sniper entry is selling. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the trend going? Where is the market trend heading? Market trend is heading as a sell position. That's what we got on our cheat sheet. Now, this is my trading week, guys. This is what I'm seeing here. Market on GBP USD will be doing the following. Market will continue selling down, dropping another 70 more pips, breaking this previous multiple time frame. Then from there, we're gonna do a small pullback, retesting this previous green arrow here, and then from there, market will continue as a sell position. That is all I'm seeing here on this pair, guys. GBP USD, bottom line here, it is selling. Let's make money together, guys, and hopefully everyone is finding value of this video, guys. You are not alone. Many traders struggle with the same issue, but this is the time to turn that around. It's time to take control of your forex trading. All right, so stay with me, guys. Stay with me. I don't care if you are gonna be trading this pair. Remember, they're not signal. I'm not giving you any signal. I'm not your financial advisor, nothing like that. But I just don't want you to keep losing money on the forex trading. Learn how to understand what is your weaknesses, and turn those weaknesses into a strength. All right, so remember, do what is hard now and your life will be easy. Please, please, please. All right, so the next pair, guys, it is gold. Don't look at the real data. Look at the dash. What is the dashboard saying? Look at here. This is what I told the trader, dude, gold is selling, dude. And he was like, no, my signal provider told me to put a buy position and a stop loss in here. I said, dude, stop paying for signal. Learn how to look at the real trend, guys. Your trend is your friend, for real. It's your friend only if you know how to do it. Please always stick to your rules, no matter how difficult they are. Understanding the market trend is the best thing on this trade, on this business, guys. It's selecting your high quality trade as well. So please, 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 please follow these 3 key elements, guys. You will be able to make informed decision, minimize your risk, minimize your potential, maximize your potential profit. So you are ready to, you need to take control of your forex trading today, this week, this year. This is 2023. Now let me show you the real data here. Look at here. Look, we're gonna do it together. The guys didn't believe me. The guys did not believe me. The market here is selling. Now you are doing it with me. Look at here. Multiple time frame with the TW sniper entries confirming. Look at the Y multiple time frame in here. Boom. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? Boom, 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 and boom. Market is selling.
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
Now go ahead, give me a round of applause, guys. And I guarantee you, that guy that was buying, guys, he went like, ah! And he was crying. That's why, guys, do not buy signal. You got me? Do not buy signal. Because people are going to be chasing you down and say, dude, the hell you doing? Stay with the plan. Stick to the plan. Learn to trade with the trend. Anyway, here, gold is selling. I did tell him, but he ignored me. Well, it's nothing I can do, right? Now, what's going on this week? This is what I'm seeing on the market, guys. Market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting this high one more time, probably another few points in here, and then from there, boom, market will continue selling. Remember, sellers are in charge in this business. Market is gonna come to your 78.6 Fibonacci, do a small pullback. By then the week is over, guys. The week is gonna be over. The question here today is, are you tired of losing money in the forex trading? Do you want to take control and start seeing consistent profit? Guys, please, guys, if you are ready to take control in your forex trading, be sure to subscribe to our channel, learn how to trade multiple time frames. Don't forget, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more forex trading tip and strategy on today's video. Guys, stay humble, guys. Learn how to trade this business. Remember, God bless you. God bless the world. God bless everyone in your family. Stay safe. Love each other. God bless you. Happy Valentine. And I will see you guys back on the other side of the channel. Hasta la vista, baby. Remember, you are trading with Team Urban. Peace out.